Most countertop ice makers on Amazon produce small, cloudy trays and break within weeks. Pick wrong and you waste money and chase broken ice forever. Ever wanted ice that drops into your drink with zero hassle? Today we're highlighting countertop ice makers that actually deliver reliable ice. Today I'm going to be going over the best countertop ice maker that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Silonn Countertop Ice Maker. This amazing device features a premium brushed aluminum shell that feels highly durable in everyday use, resisting fingerprints and occasional bumps. Its compact footprint fits neatly on most countertops without crowding essential prep space, making it ideal for small kitchens or offices. This model is primarily designed for quick ice moments rather than large party basins, targeting individuals and small families. The overall build quality balances plastic and metal accents with careful seam alignment, ensuring smooth operation under daily kitchen duties. Its design keeps heat dissipation in mind, employing a vented back and rounded corners that reduce surface heat during continuous cycles. Dimensions feel compact and portable, yet they provide enough width to accommodate standard ice bins and cups with ease. The model uses a simple control screen and intuitive buttons that enable rapid ice size selection and cycle initiation. A built-in auto shutoff triggers when the ice basket is full or when water reservoir runs low, preventing spills and waste. Performance features include a fast ice-making cycle and a compact ice basket that captures several rounds before restocking. In real-world testing, it maintains steady operation, and the removable ice basket makes retrieval easy while delivering usable ice reliably. When compared to the Ninja Countertop Ice Maker, the Silonn offers a friendlier footprint and quieter operation. The pros include fast ice production, quiet operation, and removable ice basket. The cons include small ice bin and frequent refills needed. At number 4, we have the EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker. From the moment you unbox it, this compact unit seems aimed at small kitchens, dorm rooms, and hobbyists seeking effortless ice on demand. Its control panel is straightforward, with a few tactile buttons and a simple display that guides users through selecting ice size and quantity. Despite the plastic exterior, the overall form feels sturdy enough for daily use and easy placement on most countertops. The chassis presents a brushed finish in some markets or smooth plastic elsewhere, delivering a contemporary vibe that blends with modern kitchen aesthetics. Its footprint spans roughly a narrow 13 by 8 by 12 inches, ensuring it fits snugly on crowded counters while leaving workspace. 3 ice sizes are selectable through a dedicated mode, and the compressor runs with surprisingly low noise for a countertop unit. The rapid ice production cycle aims to produce ice within 6 to 8 minutes, which translates to fewer delays during gatherings. In tests, the unit delivers up to 12 cubes per cycle when using the small size option and stable water supply. A modest 500 milliliter reservoir reduces frequent refills, though larger families may appreciate a bigger tank. In real-world scenarios, it maintains consistent ice output over several cycles with minimal water splashing and no major vibrations. A built-in auto shutoff activates when the ice bin reaches capacity or when the reservoir is empty to prevent waste. Compared to the Ninja Countertop Ice Maker, this EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker offers quieter operation and simpler controls while trading off capacity. The pros include fast ice production that saves waiting time, a compact footprint ideal for tight counters, and easy-to-use controls. The cons include a higher price for the feature set and a modest batch capacity that may disappoint larger gatherings. At number 3, we have the EUHOMY Ice Maker. Right out of the box, this compact machine exudes practical modernity, appealing to small kitchens, apartments, and dorm setups seeking quick cold beverages. It targets hosts and busy households who want ice on demand without installing a full-size freezer in limited counter space. This compact appliance also suits college dorm dwellers in tiny apartments, offering quiet operation and simple controls for everyday ice needs. The EUHOMY Ice Maker presents a sturdy build with a brushed steel exterior that resists fingerprints while delivering a compact footprint. Its dimensions hover around 16 inches wide, 11 inches deep, and 12 inches tall, making it comfortable on most kitchen counters. The design favors a straightforward water intake with a small reservoir, minimizing messy connections while preserving portable convenience. This model employs a rapid cycle system that delivers ice cubes in minutes, maintaining consistent size and clarity. Users can toggle between bullet and cube shapes through a simple control panel that remains intuitive even for first-time buyers. Efficient water usage and low energy draw ensure minimal impact on electricity bills while maintaining consistent ice output during peak party hours. In real-world testing, refill intervals varied with usage levels, delivering fresh ice consistently for several hours before needing a top-up. Noise remains low enough for kitchen counter use, with a subtle hum during the ice cycles that barely distracts. Compared to the new wave Countertop Ice Maker, this model offers similar ice output in a smaller footprint and at a friendlier price. The pros include a surprisingly strong build, exceptionally quiet operation, remarkable compact footprint, easy maintenance, and dependable, consistent ice output. The cons include higher price versus basic units and limited ice capacity for very large gatherings that demand continuous ice supply. At number 2, we have the Kismile Nugget Ice Maker. From the first glance, the unit delivers a quiet operation profile and compact footprint, appealing to apartment dwellers seeking unobtrusive kitchen devices. Ideal for small households, dorm rooms, or offices, this model suits users who want consistent nugget ice without professional equipment. Build quality leans toward a rugged stainless steel exterior that resists fingerprints while offering a sturdy chassis suitable for daily kitchen use. With a compact footprint that fits neatly under cabinets, the Ice Maker preserves counter space while delivering a generous top surface for decor. The Nugget ice output reportedly balances chewiness and melt resistance, producing soft, chewable ice ideal for drinks and smoothies. In a direct head-to-head with the Cosway Nugget Ice Maker, the Kismile delivers faster batch cycling and noticeably smoother nugget ice. The pros include compact design, fast ice production, and quiet operation. The cons include higher price and small ice bin. In real-world testing, ice forms within 10 minutes, and the nuggets retain chill without clumping, thanks to efficient heat exchange. The design includes a built-in reservoir and an automatic shut-off when the bin is full, reducing waste and user oversight. Operational noise remains unobtrusive during typical household use, and the energy profile stays efficient, helping maintain kitchen comfort during continuous operation. Cleaning is straightforward thanks to a removable tray and smooth surfaces that resist mineral buildup, keeping performance consistent over many cycles. The user interface remains simple with straightforward controls, making it approachable for first-time buyers seeking reliable nugget ice without fuss. For households prioritizing consistent nugget ice, this model remains a solid addition that blends into kitchens while delivering reliable performance day after day. At number 1, we have the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker. From the moment you unbox it, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker presents a compact silhouette that fits easily on crowded counters. Its rounded edges and matte finish on the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker convey premium feel, while the sturdy handle promises durability. The intended audience seems busy households and small offices who crave quick ice from the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker without sacrificing countertop space. Construction prioritizes compactness with a squared footprint that fits easily under upper cabinets while leaving room for cups and mixers. The exterior uses a smooth surface that resists fingerprints and provides an understated look suitable for minimalist kitchens. Its internal ice bin and claw-style nugget maker mechanism are designed to minimize ice clogs and simplify cleaning routines. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker promises quick ice cycles, producing fresh nuggets in a short runtime suitable for party bursts and weekend gatherings. Power efficiency remains essential, and the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker claims low energy consumption while maintaining consistent nugget output throughout multiple batches. Interface controls are straightforward, offering a single button start and a removable ice basket for easy access on the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker. In real-world testing, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker delivered consistent bite-sized ice with reliable cadence across multiple cycles per session. Noise levels stayed within a quiet countertop range during operation, allowing conversation to continue without shouting over the compressor. Compared to a leading rival Nugget Ice Maker, this unit delivers faster cycles and quieter operation during daily use. The pros include durable construction, reliable nugget production, and compact footprint. The cons include higher price and moderate noise during peak operation.